Alrighty, well, hello everyone. I am Nathaniel Segal. It's the final stretch. We're almost there. I need a random number. I'm going to just toss that balloon out. There's no one here, so we'll come a little closer. Okay, so here, just maybe you can catch that. Yeah, just give me a one-digit number, please. 5. Okay, we're going to take 5. It's hard to write that, but yeah, there's 5 right there, and just pass that on to somebody else. Doesn't matter who. Somebody. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Close enough. Thank you, sir. And then give me another one-digit number. 1, perfect. So we have 151. And actually, can I have you just pass that up? You can just pass that up. Now, we are going to create a magic square. Normally, this is where the magician fills in all the numbers and they add up to 51, but we're going to take it one step further. My version allows you to place any number in any one of these spots, but since we're strapped for time and it's G4G13, I will pick the 1, 2, 3, 4, 13th spot and put the number 4 in there. All right, here we go. All right, and there we have our magic square that is, it works all columns, rows, diagonals, corners. You're just going to have to trust me on that, but it does work. Thank you. Yes, all right. So that's my laptop. Oh, that was my laptop, yes. Okay, so we're going to get that up. Now, the normal way magic square is done, I will be exposing the, not only will I show you how to do the normal magic square, I will also teach you how to do my variation on how to get any number in any spot, which is previously unknown. Now, the normal method for magic square, are we live? Yes, almost. Okay, oops. Are we there? Okay, so I don't know if you can see it, but the normal method of a magic square, you have this, is it not playing? You have a template where all you have to do is take the magic sum and subtract the, is it showing up? I don't know, is it? Okay, so you subtract the number, is it there? Yes? Are we at? Oh, good. All right, so you just subtract that number. So this is the basic version. This allows you to do any magic square, and you're totally fine. If you memorize this, you just subtract the proper numbers, then voila, you've got it. So that is the basic version. My variation allows you to put any number 1 through 12 in any of the 16 spots, so that creates 192 different possibilities. So there's all those cases. We'll go through each of them right now. Okay, actually not really, we don't have time for that. There's only 16 different squares and 4 different cases that I will be discussing. This is case 0. This is the most basic case, and so if, for example, they put a number 4 in that spot, or a 12 in that, or 7 in that spot, then you're totally fine. That's all you have to do. The next case is fairly, and so what I'm going to be doing is generalizing this with the number 11, because that's in the top left corner. And so I'll just show you how to put in the number 11 in any of these spots, and then if you just extend that, you'll be able to get that in any of the 12 spaces. So far, 11 can go right there. The next one is fairly intuitive. That is a rotation of 90 degrees, and that allows you to place the 11 right here, and right there. And so that doesn't actually change the any part of the square itself. So that's fairly simple. The next case 2 and 3 are a little bit more challenging because they involve a symmetric transformation of the square. And so that, as long as you are symmetric on this, so I'm actually switching the rows in this case, and that if you do the top 2 rows and the bottom 2 rows, that maintains the rigid nature of the square itself. And so now by doing that, you can place the 11 here. Rotation allows those 4 squares. Similarly, with case 3, we're swapping the columns, and that looks like that. We now are able to place the 11 there, and there. Case number 4 is the hardest case, and it's the most computationally difficult in your head, and that's because you are going to be combining case 2 and 3 by swapping the rows and the columns, and that looks like that. And so now we're able to put the 11 right here, right here, right here, and right there. And so that is everywhere. And so that is how you are able to put the 11 in any of those 16 spots. Again, that you can extend that to any of the particular numbers, 1 through 12. In performance, I would recommend doing a number 1 through 10, or a one-digit number, just because it seems a little bit more fair. So that's the main magic square. As long as you remember this variation, then you are totally fine. And I am glad that we picked number 51. Is that correct? Yeah. I don't know if you guys heard, there is something inside the balloon. Let's see here. So I can grab my knife out of my pocket. Of course, it's not. One piece of paper inside here, and it says, "Thanks for picking number 51. Thank you so much, everyone. I'm Magical Nathaniel. Thank you.